Good morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class. In this class, we will be learning about the chapter 5, decimals. So let's get started. Before we start, let me tell you that in this video, we will be covering some topics such as definition of decimal, parts of a decimal, decimal place value chart, and reading and writing decimals. Before I define a decimal number, let us go through one example. Here I have taken 3 squares of same size, out of which 2 squares are completely shaded, and the third square is divided into 10 equal parts, out of which 3 parts are shaded. So, we can read it as 3 by 10. It means there are 2 holes and 3 by 10. 3 by 10 we can write as 0. Let me explain why 3 by 10 can be written as 0.3. In 3 by 10, numerator is 3 and denominator is 10. In denominator 10, there is 1 0. It means we can put decimal before 1 digit, that is before 3. So, we can write it as 0.3 or 0.3. So, finally, we can see there are 2 complete squares. We can write it as 1 plus 1, and the third square is divided into 10 equal parts, out of which 3 parts are shaded. So, we can represent it as 3 by 10. So, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 3 by 10. 3 by 10 can be written as 0.3. So, it is equal to 2.3, and 2.3 is a decimal number. Let us define a decimal number. A decimal number can be defined as a number whose whole number part and the fractional part is separated by a decimal point. Students, note down this definition of decimal number in your maths notebook. Next topic is parts of a decimal number. Look at this example. 275.35. There is a point that is also known as decimal point, and the numbers which comes before decimal point is known as whole part, and the numbers which comes after decimal point is known as decimal part. Let us see another example, 2.3. Here the whole part is 2 and the decimal part is 3. Students, note down these parts of a decimal number in your notebook. Next topic is decimal place value chart. Look at this chart. There is a decimal point. Before decimal point, there is whole number part, and after the decimal point, there is fractional part, that is also called decimal part. You must be knowing about the place value system which you have studied in chapter first, large numbers. whole number part, we will follow the same place value system. That is, for first digit ones, second digit tens, third digit hundreds, fourth digit thousands, and so on. And the place value for each digit of decimal part will be followed as given in this chart. Look at the chart. After decimal, the first digit is tenth, second digit is hundredth, third digit is thousand, fourth digit is 10,000, and so on. Students, you will draw this decimal place value chart in your maths notebook. Now, let us see one example to write the place value of each digit of a decimal number. In this example, the whole number part is 12,345 and the decimal part is 678. Place value of each digit of whole number part is 5 ones, 4 tens, 3 hundreds, 2 thousands, and 1 10,000s. And place value for each digit of decimal part is 6 tenth, 700, and 8,000. Students, you will note down this example also. Now, we will discuss about each digit of decimal part. First part is 1/10. A rectangle is divided into 10 equal parts and one part is shaded. So, its fractional form will be 1/10 and it can be written in decimal form as 0.1. Second digit is 1/100th. A rectangle is divided into 100 equal parts and if one part is shaded, it can be written as 1/100 in fractional form and in decimal form it can be written as 0.01. Next topic is reading and writing decimals. There are two rules to read or write a decimal number. Rule 1. How do you read decimals? Step 1. Read the whole number part if there is 1. Step 2. Read the decimal point as end. Step 3. Pretend the rest of the digits form a number. Step 4. Say the place value of the last digit. Now look at one example. Here the whole number is 37. Decimal point will be called as end. And last digits as a whole number, that is 26. Place value of last digit 100. So finally it can be read as 37 and 2600. Now look at another example. 26.45. It can be read as 26 and 45 hundredths. 4 point we have to write end and before point as a whole number and after point also the digits will be read together. So before point 26 will be read as 26 and after point 45 will be read as 45 and the place value of 5 is hundredths. So in the last we will add hundredths. Next 10.021. So it can be read as 10 and 21 thousandths. Next 15.9908 and it can be read as 15 and 9,908 10,000th. Rule 2. Step 1. Read the digit to the left of the decimal point as a whole number. Step 2. Say point or decimal for the decimal point. Step 3. Decimal part is read digit wise. For example, 146.25 is read as 146.25. It means before the decimal point, the number is read as whole number, that is 146, and after decimal, it will be read digit wise, that is 25. Students, note down these rules for writing or reading a decimal number with examples in your notebook. In the next class, we will discuss about conversion of fraction to decimal and decimal to fraction and expanded form of decimals like and unlike decimals and comparing decimals. Thank you.